How to get coins on Temu? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna explain you how you can do that. Now, before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to temu.com, and then the next step is to simply invite new users. Now, I found a better way to earn money on Temu. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to the desktop version, as I said earlier, and then scroll down at the bottom. Then simply click on affiliate here under company info, and then you're gonna get redirected to this page. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply share this link, share your link or code to earn money. So as you can see, you're gonna earn 20% commission on any sales and an extra $5 for the download. So if they download the app and log in, you're gonna earn an extra $5 besides 20% off their entire cart. So basically that's it. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.